Where's Ariana? Call Ariana. Call Ariana. Bonnie. Oh, Siddharth. Yeah, award show.
Yes.
I like this meeting.
Yeah, it's so crazy.
It's an important piece of information when you're recording these songs. So, दो incidents हैं. मुझे बताया गया बाद में कि Adnan was recording and भाई साहब 5-6 थे ना. तो किसी ने बोला उनको कि 6 पिज्जा आ रहे हैं. तो सब खुश. तो ट्रीट होने वाली थी. So ये ट्रीट 6 pizzas order किए. 6 pizzas order किए. मंदिर अकेले खाए. ट्रीट मिल रही है आज. 6 पिज्जा मंगवाए. He ate 6 pizzas alone. I'm sure you guys have ordered your own food.
But today he didn't eat anything.
बहुत कमाल की बात ये है.
That's been
So we were recording these songs. He said, but he's also married and he's enjoying me going mad. So both of us were doing our artistic thing. हम लोग कर रहे थे. तो वहाँ जो directors थे कि जान निकल गई सारे दो कर क्या रहे. 2 levers लगे वो हरकतें ले रहे मुड़कियाँ फलसेटो ये वो. ऐसा Adnan, don't make him sing so much. No. The song is going to be like this. ऐसा ये took us time. No. ये जगह तो होगी. What he's doing, ये clear होता है. जो कर रहा है उसको करने दो. और and he's also giving the ideas. ऐसा करें, ये करें. Anybody else would say कि नहीं चलो simplify कर दो. No. तेरा है रोमांटिक है ना तो तेरा ही रहेगा.
अच्छा फिर मजे की बात क्या हुई? I stood my guns and then finally वो भी they were like नहीं लेकिन it's not going to be very commercial and all that. Yeah, please, I mean we know what you're doing. अच्छा उसके बाद हमने क्या किया?
चोर पुट्टी सिखा के नहीं हमें ना मजा हम ये वो
अच्छा अब क्या हुआ कि इतनी सारी मेहनत करने के बाद राइट जब when he came out पसीनों पसीन and इन्होंने ये किया तो he was all pumped because he had done such a marvelous job. तो अच्छा एक तरफ से I was stuck in my stand and when he was listening to this he was quietly listening and इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद it becomes very disheartening. So then finally in order to just finish this thing off I just turned around to them and I said listen you know what I'm going to edit all this. I've done a lot of over recording. I'm going to edit this entire thing, and then after that, all of this other stuff, it'll become exactly the way you want it.
Reassuring.
ठीक है ना? Okay. Now, सोनू की हालत क्या मतलब? You're gonna do this? So I didn't, because they were all staring. So I said, listen, I said, let me edit it, and then it'll be fine. I said the next day he had another recording of the same film. So now he was very. I mean, it was some other song that we were doing. So then he came and he was obviously very curious to know कि मतलब ये जो पता नहीं क्या edit कर दिया होगा because there was so much good stuff. I hope he hasn't edited all these things. So I said, these guys came in and I said, listen, I understood what you were saying. I sat on the edit, and now it's exactly the way you want it, and you're gonna like it. Okay. So now he's obviously very upset. I mean, there's shakal jo bechare ladak gayi thi, So now I'm playing the song. And he's listening and he's waiting कि
वो जगह है कि
वो कौन सी मतलब कि कहाँ पे edit किया हुआ है, So I'm quietly listening and all that, and when the song finished.
You had kept everything.
I said how यही तो हम चाह रहे थे मैंने बस यही चाह no he's got that look on his face यार इसमें edit किया I did not touch it at all, not even a single thing. Then he was he knew yeah we get it out sue me
Yeah.
and get it right.
Well, at least you could have winked at him and reassured him, na?
No, I did.
He knew what was happening.
He knew what was happening. He knew what was happening.
He heard the song,
He knew exactly what was happening.
I remember each and every जगह of my song
हाँ,
for many years.
बिल्कुल.
उस दिन का तो पता ही होगा मुझे.
And so the point was okay, we stuck to it, and I'm glad that we did because that song has become one of the
अरे लोग competition में जाते हैं ना लोग.
Yeah.
If we did not do all this must in it,
Yeah.
this wouldn't be a competition song.
No, it wasn't. Oh yeah.
People make
that falsetto.
that लोग मुझे देखते हैं सर हमने आप ही लिख दिया है.
खामोशियों से आ रही है सदा धड़कने है दीवाने दिल भी कुछ कह रहा है
Yeah.
देखो जो स्टेज कुछ बना था ना उसमें
You would suck it.
लास्ट में चालू का कोई मिला ही था
Aryan's concert.
खामोशियों से आ रही है सदा धड़कने हैं दीवाने
Yeah.
तेरे नाम हमने किया है जीवन अपना सारा।
कहाँ है उदित जी?
यही है
उदित जी कहाँ है?
Do it, do it, do it.
प्रोग्राम में उदित जी गाने के लिए तैयार हुए। शाहरुख भाई बोल रहे मैं कब तक उदित जी बन के गाऊं, एक बार आप ही गा दीजिए।
एक बार उदित जी हो जाए। उदित जी को याद कर लिया।
तेरे नाम हमने किया है। कमाल है।
तेरे नाम सर
हमने किया है जीवन अपना सारा सनम। ओ वासी देख रही हूँ। हे 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 शुरू होता है हे 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 मैं रख के आता हूँ।
Oh my God.
तो चलता है बड़ी मुश्किलों से संभलता है क्या क्या जतन करते हैं तुम्हें क्या पता ये दिल बेकरार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना।
वही जगह।
But trivia is that year both were nominated for Filmfare.
Yeah.
But Parveen ji won the Filmfare over.
Yeah.
I think. इशारे.
इतना इशारों में बातें होती हैं। How do you do it? Radhika, Shan's wife. Congratulations. Well trained.
देंगे घर चलते हैं।
वो बोली थी मैं जा रही हूँ, आप तो चल पड़े।
ओहो